How to create a VK account. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on vKontakte or VK app, which is a European social media and a social networking service. And let's get started. First, make sure to download the VK app from your Play Store. Once it is installed, open it. Then click on the sign up button, which is at the bottom. Now you have to enter your phone number, so just enter it and click on continue. Then you will get a call from a unique number and you have to enter the last 4 digits of that number. And I want to repeat that again. You have to enter the last 4 digits of the number that you are getting a call from, okay? And once you've done that, now you have to enter the information about you. Enter your first name, a last name, your birthday, your gender, and if you want, you can also add a profile picture. Once you're done here, just go ahead and click on continue. Now you have to create a password. Make sure to create a strong password that you can remember. And once you're done, click on continue. Now here you can find your friends from your contacts if you want, but for now I'm just gonna skip. Then you have to select your interest. Go ahead and select them and again click on continue. And that is all you have to do in order to create your VK account. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.